Hey, if you're running a workshop, a server rack, or any other high draw tools, a regular power strip is just a fire hazard waiting to happen. Today we're looking at this 20 amp strip from Rocket Socket Technologies, and this packs 2100 joules of surge protection, which is just a great little insurance policy. It's got a nice heavy duty aluminum housing. This is designed for a 20 amp system. So if you have a 20 amp system, you'll notice it's got that special plug that's sideways for it. But if you don't have that, it comes with a converter, so you can plug this in here and plug it into your conventional 15 amp plug. These plugs go both ways, 15 amps or 20 amps. Packs this wild heavy duty cable. This whole package here is heavy duty like you are. So if you're running those high draw tools or a space heater or any of those kind of things that you need that 20 amp system, you need the metal housing, you need that kind of quality, this is definitely a choice for you. Now I will say it does have one downside. So here's my one downside with it. See the spacing of these plugs? This is your problem. If you plug this in here, that guy in there, this guy can't plug into it next to it, so you gotta go here. And in essence, you've lost 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs because of the spacing. Now, I think most power tools and that kind of stuff don't have these big old transformers on them. If you were going to put a whole bunch of hard drives or something like that on that, okay, you're going to have an issue there. But most tools are just going to plug in right next to each other, no problem whatsoever. There's a link here on the screen. There's one down below. Both of them work the same way. They're going to make sure you get the right pricing for this. I do need to tell you this was provided to me to do this review, but they don't give me any instructions, and I've used a number of their products. I don't have one sitting right here, but pretty much everything you see plugged in is plugged into a Rocket Socket extension. I really do like their products. I love that they're metal housings, and you should definitely consider this for yourself. If I've added some value here, please like the video, follow the channel, put in the comments, what are you going to run on this? Server or power tools? Which is it going to be? Let me know. Put it down there in the comments. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.